Heyo guys! After weeks of not making anything, I'm finally back. Today we will make a dance shake like yeah, quite similar. I think. Just jump to the tutorial. First, let's do some simple time remap to the clip. Make new null layer, this is for zoom in and zoom out effect. Duplicate layer as needed. Now make first transition. Here I use zoom out. For the next, we make it back and forth. Just playing with the scale. Do it on all layers, just follow my step. Time for the shake. Add as shake. Make 3 keyframes. Follow my number. Make graph like this. Now follow my S-shake setting. We done, just duplicate the shake in every mark. If you feel it's too rough, just change the graph like this.
Good job!
The tutorial is complete, maybe not very similar, but basically the same way. Maybe. Comment if you don't understand. See you next time.